and we've got videos here to 5 of the locations for the solar factories in the area. There's Bradenham Lane, Holver Street, Shipton Lane, Comer Lane and South End. We're doing a separate video for High Green where we do have full access to the site. So what we're doing in these videos, we're just pointing out where they are if you want to go and have a look. We don't have any access whatsoever to the sites. So in most cases, we're just sort of pointing out where they are. I think what you can gather from these is that the land being used is very good grade agricultural land, which will be wasted if it's used for solar factory work. But thank you for watching, and there will be a link to the High Green video. Thank you for watching.
and try again.